and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are two closely related fields that are revolutionizing the way we interact with the technology. Machine learning refers to the process of teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed to do so. This involves using algorithms and statistical models to find patterns in data and then using these patterns to make predictions or decisions. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is a broader field that encompasses machine learning as well as other approaches to building intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence is concerned with creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, and making decisions based on complex data. The goal of both machine learning and artificial intelligence is to create machines that can learn and adapt to new situations without the need for explicit programming by enabling computers to learn from data and make decisions based on that data. We can create systems that are more accurate, more efficient, and more effective at performing a wide range of tasks. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are being used in a wide variety of applications, from self-driving cars and virtual assistants to medical diagnosis and detection. Fraud detection, as the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of machine learning and artificial intelligence in the future. Many people tend to use the terms machine learning and artificial intelligence interchangeably, but they actually have meaningful differences. But find out what they are and how AI is changing our world. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are often used interchangeably, but they are actually distinct concepts that fall under the same umbrella. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are creating a huge buzz worldwide. The plethora of application in artificial intelligence has changed the face of technology. The terms machine learning and artificial intelligence are often used interchangeably. However, there is a stark difference between the two that is still unknown to industry professionals. Let's start by taking an example of virtual personal assistants, which have been familiar to most of us for quite some time now. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are related but distinct fields. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on data to identify patterns and make predictions about future events. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is a broader field that encompasses machine learning as well as the other techniques for creating intelligent systems. AI involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. There are several types of machine learning, and including supervised learning. The algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset where the desired output is already known. Unsupervised learning. The algorithm is not given any labeled data. It must find the underlying structure in the data on its own. Reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns from the feedback it receives from its action in an environment. There are also several there are also several types of AI including strong artificial intelligence capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. Weak artificial intelligence specialized for a specific task. Working of virtual personal assistants. Siri, part of Apple Inc, iOS, watchOS, macOS, and tvOS operating system. Google Now, a feature of Google search offering predictive cards with information and daily updates in the Google app for Android and iOS. Cortana. Cortana is a virtual assistant created by Microsoft for Windows 10 or intelligent digital personal assistants on the platform like iOS, Android, and Windows respectively. to put it painfully, to put it plainly, they help to find relevant information when requested using voice. For instance, for answering queries like what's the temperature today or what is the way to the nearest supermarket, etc. And the assistant will react by searching for information, transforming that information from the phone or sending commands to various other applications. AI is the critical in these applications as they gather data on the user's request and utilize that data to perceive speech in a better manner and serve the user with answers that are customized to his inclination. Microsoft says that Cortana consistently finds out about its user and that it will in the end build up the capacity to anticipate user needs and cater to them. Virtual assistants process a tremendous measure of information from an assortment of sources to find out about users and be more compelling in helping them arrange and track their data. Machine learning is a vital part of these personal assistants as they gather and refine the data based on user past participation with them thereon. This arrangement of information is used to render results that are custom made to users' inclinations. Roughly speaking, artificial intelligence is when a computer algorithm does intelligent work. On the other hand, machine learning is a part of AI that learns from the data that also involves the information gathered from previous experiences and allows the computer program to change its behavior accordingly. The difference between machine learning and AI. In the simplest terms, AI is computer software that mimics the ways that humans think so that it can perform complex tasks such as analyzing reasoning and learning. Machine learning, meanwhile, is a subset of AI that uses algorithms trained on data to produce models that can perform those complex tasks. Most AI is performed using machine learning, so the two terms are often used synonymously. But AI actually refers to the general concept of creating human like cognition using computers and software systems, while ML is only one method of doing so. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is computer software that mimics human cognitive abilities in order to perform complex tasks, but that historically could only be done by humans, like decision making, data analysis, and language translation. In other words, AI is code on computer system explicitly programmed to perform tasks that require human reasoning, while automated machines and systems merely follow a set of instructions and dutifully perform them without change. AI powered ones can learn from their interaction to improve their performance and efficiency. AI is an umbrella team covering a variety of interrelated but distinct subfields. Some of the most common fields you will encounter within the broader field of artificial intelligence include machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI in which algorithms are trained on data set to become machine learning models capable of performing specific tasks. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of ML in which artificial neural networks that mimic the human brain are used to perform more complex reasoning tasks without human intervention. Natural language processing, a subset of computer science, AI linguistic, and ML natural language processing focuses on creating software capable of interpreting human communication. Generative AI, a type of AI and subset of deep learning that is used to create new content like text and image. Typically, Gen AI is powered by large language models, which are models trained on massive data set to dynamically create outputs based on user prompts. Robotics. Robotics, a subset of AI, computer science, and electrical engineering. Robotic is focused on creating robots capable of learning and performing complex tasks in real world environment. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence focused on training machine learning algorithms with data sets to produce machine learning models capable of performing complex tasks such as sorting images, forecasting sales, or analyzing big data. Today, machine learning is the primary way that most people interact with AI. Some common ways that you have likely encountered machine learning before include receiving video recommendations on an online video streaming platform, troubleshooting a problem online with a chatbot. This gets you to appreciate resources based on your responses, using virtual assistants who respond to your request to schedule meetings in your calendar, play a specific song, or call someone. AI versus machine learning or versus deep learning. AI, machine learning, and deep learning are sometimes used interchangeably, but they are each distinct terms. Artificial intelligence is an umbrella term for computer software that mimics human cognition in order to perform complex tasks and learn from them. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that uses algorithms trained on data to produce adaptable models that can perform a variety of complex tasks. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses several layers with neural networks to do some of the most complex ML tasks without any human intervention. Artificial intelligence is the subset of machine learning. That is, all machine learning is artificial intelligence, but not all AI is machine learning. Artificial intelligence and difference between machine learning. AI manages more comprehensive issues, automating a system. This computerizing should be possible by utilizing any fields such as image processing, cognitive science, neural systems, machine learning, etc. Machine learning manages to influence a user's machine to gain from the external environment. This external environment can be sensors, electronic segments, external storage gadgets, and numerous other devices. Artificial manages the making of machines, framework, and different gadgets savvy by enabling them to think and do errands as all people generally do. But ML does depends on the user input or a query requested by the client. The framework checks whether it is available in the knowledge base or not. If it is available, it will store the outcome to the user related to that query. However, if it is not stored initially, the machine will take in the user input and will enhance its knowledge base to give a better value to the end user. Objective is to maximize the chance of success. Objective is to maximize accuracy. Artificial intelligence uses logic and decision tree. Machine learning user Machine learning uses statistical models. AI is concerned with knowledge dissemination and conscious machine action. ML is concerned with the knowledge accumulation. Focuses on giving machine cognitive and intellectual capability similar to throne of humans. Focuses on providing the means for algorithms and system to learn from the experience with data and use that experience to improve over time. All encompasses a collection of AI encompasses a collection of intelligence concept including elements of perception, planning, and prediction. ML can be done through supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning approaches. Real world examples of AI. Chances are you have used an AI powered device or service in your everyday life without even realizing it. From banking programs that check for shady transactions to automated spam filters that keep your inbox virus free and video streaming platforms that recommend shows to you. AI and machine learning are increasingly woven into the fabric of our lives. Daily lives. Here are just a few of the ways that AI and machine learning by extension is used every day. Number one, healthcare. Healthcare produces a wealth of big data in the form of patient records, medical tests, and health enabled devices like smartwatches. As a result, one of the most prevalent ways humans use artificial intelligence and machine learning is to improve outcomes within the healthcare industry. Some common applications of AI in health care include machine learning models capable of scanning X-rays for cons- cancers, growth, programs that can develop personalized treatment plans, and systems that efficiently allocate hospital resources. Business. Second, business. AI has had a significant impact on the world of business, where it has been used to cut cost through automation and to produce actionable insights by analyzing big data sets. As a result, more and more companies are looking to use AI in their workflows. According to 2024 research conducted by EY, for example, 95% of surveyed senior leaders reported their organization were currently investing in AI, which they saw as significantly disrupting the industry. Third, supply chain. Supply chain keep goods flowing worldwide, yet as supply chains become increasingly complex and globally interconnected, so too, so too do the potential hiccups, stalls, and breakdowns they face. Supply chain managers and analysts are increasingly, increasingly turning to AI enhanced digital supply chain capable of tracking shipments, forecast delays, and problem solving on the fly to ensure speedy deliveries. Benefits and the future of AI. AI and machine learning provide various benefits to both businesses and consumers. While consumers can expect more personalized services, businesses can expect reduced cost and higher operational efficiency. It's little surprise that the global market for AI is expected to increase exponentially in the coming years. According to Grand View Research, the global market size for artificial intelligence is projected to expand from $136.6 billion in 2022 to a whooping $1.8 trillion in 2030. Some common benefits for businesses using AI and machine learning in the real world include the ability to quickly analyze large amounts of data to produce actionable insights, increased return on investment for associated services due to decreased labor cost. Third, improved customer satisfaction experience that can be tailored to meet individual customer needs. AI capabilities. Artificial intelligence has a wide range of capabilities that open up a variety of impactful real world applications. Some of the most common include pattern recognition, predictive modeling, automation, object recognition, and personalization. In some cases, advanced AI can even power self driving cars or play complex games like chess or Go. Future scope. Artificial intelligence is here to stay and is going nowhere. It digs out the facts from algorithms for a meaningful execution of various decisions and goals predetermined by firm. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are like to replace the current model of technology that we see these days. For example, traditional programming packages like ERP and CRM are certainly losing their charm. Firms like Facebook and Google are investing a hefty amount in AI to get the desired outcome at a relatively lower com- computational time. Artificial intelligence is something that is going to redefine the world of software and IT in the near future. Advantages. The advantages of machine learning and artificial intelligence are many and include number one, efficiency. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can automate complex processes and make them more efficient. This can save time and resources and allow businesses to focus on more strategic tasks. Second, accuracy. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data and make predictions with a high degree of accuracy. This can lead to better decision making and more accurate results. Personalization. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can be used to personalize products and services to individual users based on their preferences and behavior. Scalability. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms can be applied to large amounts of data, allowing organizations to scale their operations and handle larger volumes of information. Innovation. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can be used to identify new opportunities and create innovative solutions to complex problems. Cost saving. By automating processes and increasing efficiency, machine learning and artificial intelligence can help organizations save money and reduce costs. Disadvantage. Number one, complexity. Machine learning and artificial intelligence system can be complex and difficult to implement, requiring specialized expertise and resources. Bias. Machine learning algorithms can sometimes produce biased result depending on the data that is used to train them. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Lack of transparency. Some machine learning and artificial intelligence systems are considered black boxes, meaning that it can be difficult to understand how they arrived at a particular decision or prediction. Security concern. Machine learning and artificial intelligence system can be vulnerable to attacks and hacking attempts, which could compromise sensitive data and systems. Job displacement. As automation becomes more prevalent, there may be concerns about job displacement and the impact on the workforce. Last, data quality. Machine learning or artificial intelligence system rely on high quality data to function effectively. Poor quality data can lead to inaccurate predictions and decisions. Thank you very much, and like and comment, please.